If debris becomes clogged in your home-based charging station plus automatic dirt disposal, here's how to clear it. Unplug the charging station from the wall. Remove the robot and tilt the charging station onto its back. Find the clog within the clear tubing on the bottom of the charging station. Use a screwdriver to loosen the 5 screws that secure the tubing. Remove the tubing by pressing on the opening at the top of the tubing. Clear the debris from the tubing and tubing canal. Reinstall the tubing and tighten the 5 screws. Turn the charging station upright and place the robot in position. Then plug in the charging station.